cliffs in front. People line up to receive. She's got the power in her hands to shock you like you won't believe. Met her in the Amazon, with a voltage running through her skin. Standing there with nothing on. Oh, she's gonna teach me how to swim.